We've just arrived here at R.O.C in Daxi area, and already I can smell the plants and the flowers, and I'm really excited to see what they have to offer. Let's go have some fun.
The vegetable.
Oh, vegetable, okay. We're going to be choosing their house brand or house specialty pizza today. Step one, very important, must wash your hands.
Perfect.
We're ready to go to the oven. I don't know what it looks like, but let's have a look. Yay, our pizza is ready. Let's have a look. Looks amazing. So we've completed our specialty pizza with the help of Jenny. So yeah, thank you very much, Jenny. And I'm looking forward to it.
You can enjoy your meal.
Thank you. I'm so excited to try this out. Amazing. Our time here at R.O.C has come to an end. It's a beautiful facility to come and visit and spend time outdoors, come and make your own pizza, get in touch with nature a little bit. And as you can see, the kids love it, running around in the sunshine. Yeah, we've had a good day. A 5-minute drive from R.O.C gets us here to Futian, a petting farm where there are many animals, from horses to pigs to goats. People can come and interact with these animals. It's also a beautiful setting, and they use it for a wedding and events venue. Let's go check it out. Ni hao. Hi. I would like to get for the pigs. Noi nai. Yeah. For the little pigs. Yeah. What do they like? 谢谢, thank you. Let's go feed the pigs. Hi, are you gonna be nice? Oh! So while you're walking around feeding the animals, there are performers that sometimes play their instruments or sing. It really adds to the relaxing atmosphere here at Futian. I really love this place, and I think you'll enjoy it too. We are here at the Taoyuan Flower Festival, which happens around November every year. And it's a wonderful opportunity to come and see all of the beautiful autumn blooms and get closer to the flowers. So in one day, we visited R.O.C, Futian and Taoyuan Flower Festival. If you are a lover of nature and the outdoors, Taoyuan is definitely the place for you.